Hello everyone, welcome to all in our presentation. We are from Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya Anand Vihar Delhi 92. This is our English project work. We are from class 12C. This is group number 6. I am Akshay as a group leader with my members Tanya, Sujata, Pooja and Chandni. Our presentation head is Mrs. Shushma Mavai. So, let's travel ahead. As we know, tiger is our national animal, but the population of tiger decreases, and now there is no more tiger in the forest. The chapter is taken from our textbook Vistas. The chapter name is The Tiger King. The author of this chapter is Kalki. Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti, whose pen name is Kalki, who was born on 9 September 1899. He was Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic and Indian independence activist. He wrote 120 short stories, 10 novelettes, 5 novels, 3 historical romances, editorial and political writings and hundreds of film and music reviews. His death on 5 September 1954. Now Sujata will tell the first part of this summary of this chapter.
Story of a King Jang Bahadur of Pratibandhapuram, a brave warrior whose death had been predicated when he was born. The chief astrologer had predicated as the royal child was born in the hour of the bull, the tiger being its enemy, death would come to the child by a tiger. To brave prince asked all tigers to be aware of him, come to be known as Tiger King. The story was considered to be a rumor in the kingdom, but after looking at the events that happened subsequently, it can be concluded to be true.
Now Tanya will tell the second part of this summary of this chapter.
The prince became king at 20 and considered killing a cow in self-defense to be lawful, went on a tiger killer spree. He was warned of danger from the 100 tiger that he encountered, as all the tiger in his kingdom by him, but still he had to kill more. He married into a state having high populations of tigers. When his killings reached 99, he desperately sought the hunt.
Fearing the king's harshness, the minister planted an old tiger in the forest for him to kill. Satyr, in the words, wandered into the Maharaja's presence and stood as if in humble supplication, indicate that the tiger had understood the king's vow and gave in to it, begging him to kill it and fulfill his vow. It shows the predict of the king. Now Chandni will tell you important part of the summary.
The king fired at it, but the tiger accepted the bullet miraculously. The royal hunter feared the king and so did not inform him. Rather, they killed the beast themselves. The king was satisfied that he had aved their death and now celebrate his son's third birthday. He got a wooden toy tiger as a gift for the prince.
Now Pooja will end the summary.
Although it was poorly done, the shopkeeper, fearing punishment under the rules of emergency, charged a high price. As both the king and his son were playing with the tiger, one of the thin pieces of wood that were erupting out of the wooden tiger like feathers pierced the king's right hand. The wound became infectious, spread through his arm, and as he was being operated upon, he died. So ironically, the 100 tiger killed the king and eventually took its revenge.
Thank you to all. I hope you enjoyed.